take a look at this digital microscope. Okay, it's USB. Okay, it got 1,000 times magnification. Okay, wow, that's a lot. I got a little cap here. Remove the cap. It got 8 LEDs in there. You can take a look. That will light up your subject. Okay, and you got your zoom controller here. All right, you got a button here that says snap, and this one says zoom. I connected this to the to my computer, install the software it came with, but these buttons, they don't do anything. I don't know, it's just not working with my software. I must admit I didn't take time to go in depth and experiment with other software and stuff to see if they have any use, but it didn't make a difference. Okay, you got your tiny little camera in there. Okay, and a USB connection. You also got a little control here that will control the intensity of the LEDs. If it's too bright or what, you can control the intensity with this little control on the cable here. Right. It comes with a stand, which I don't know, it don't make any sense because it's very hard. The stand is not built very strong. It's metal, but I'm scared if I tighten this too much, I would break it. It feels as though it's going to break. You know, it feels as though it's plastic with a sort of metal coating, sort of chrome covering. Yeah, that's how it feels. It feels very cheap. This is the holder for the microscope. It broke already. I had to use some crazy glue to stick it. I'm not sure if it's going to still work or if it's going to break off with me again. Okay, alright. It holds it in place. So you have to sort of bend your stand like this. And if it's like this, then it goes at an angle. Now you want it straight down. So this is a piece of crap. Very weak, soft plastic, which broke off already. Just trying to clip it back into place. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make a new stand for this microscope. Alright, now saying all this, I got to give you a demonstration. I guess you want to see what it looks like, what the quality looks like. Okay, so let me switch. I'm gonna put a subject here and switch over to the microscope, and you will see what it looks like. Here we got an average size safety pin. Let's see what it looks like. Ah, wow. Sure, that's the same pin? Yeah, that's what the safety pin looks like underneath the microscope. See? Alright, we got the light a little overexposed there. That's alright. This is what it looks like. You can see the tip is bent and yeah, it's actually, the surface is actually rough. Alright, now let's look at cell phone. Alright, we got the inside of a cell phone. Okay, you know, the components inside are very, very, very small, very, very microscopic. Let's see now. Wow. Alright, seeing some transistors, and that's, yeah, seen 2 transistors there and resistors. Wow, look like a little city. Now here we got an ant. Now let's blow it up and see what it looks like. Oh, wow. Oh, poor fella. Gosh, man, you're ugly. Look at those eyes. Ooh, scary, scary. So this has been magnified over 500 times. Ooh. But he got his foot in his mouth. Poor fella. Oh, he's sucking finger. No. Oh, look at the eyes. It's really big. And that ant need to shave his legs, eh? Yes, yes, yes. Shave your legs. Alright, let's look at a blade of grass now. Alright, let me just... Alright, you see what I mean about the stand? The stand is very shaky and trying to adjust the focus and stuff and thing here now. See, just dancing all around the place, just trying to get the focus right. That's a blade of grass we're looking at there underneath the microscope. So my final take on this microscope, nah, I wouldn't give it a thumbs up. The software is crappy, the stand is crappy, and they got some work to do with the contrast. I'll go for a more expensive one. Bye for now.